is Brenda Dessert from around the world, and I hope everyone had a safe holiday and New Year's. Today's destination is Germany. I'll be trying a recipe for Black Forest cake, so let's get started. To start our cake, we're going to add 6 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter melted, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to whisk this into creamy. And once that's well combined, now we're going to add the dried ingredients. I got my sniffer out. We're going to sift 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, two teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and after that we're going to add 1 cup and 1/4 cup of AP flour, and once you're done, now we're going to blend it, whisk it together slowly. So now let's transfer to a baking pan. So now I got my pan out, I sprayed it and put parchment paper on the bottom. Now we're just going to put the batter inside. Gonna give it a little bit taps. Now it's ready to be baked. So I have my oven preheating at 350 Fahrenheit, and this might take between 25 to 35 minutes. So my cake just came out of the oven. It took 40 minutes. And to know when your cake is ready, just stick a toothpick right in the middle and it comes out clear, it's ready. So I'm gonna let this cool off, and right now we're gonna start making our filling. Now we're gonna make the whipped cream for our cake. You're gonna need 2 cups of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And we're going to whisk this together into stiff peak. So it's done now. You can see now it's a stiff peak. So I have my cake out ready. It's already cooled down. I have a cake board. I have my whipped cream and my cherry filling. I had to go buy a canned cherry filling for pie because I couldn't find fresh cherries, but you could also make your own cherry filling. I put in the description below how to make your own cherry filling. So let's start by cutting our cake. I'm gonna try to cut this cake into 3 layers. So here's the bottom layer. And I'm gonna cut this one again. So I'm gonna start with my top layer that I cut the round part off, and I flip it around. So this is gonna be our bottom piece. Now I'm gonna add some whipped cream. And after that, you want to add some cherry filling on top. And after you do that, you want to add the middle layer. And you want to repeat the process. And then get more cherries on top. want to add your bottom piece. Just like that. Now I'm just gonna add all the whipped cream through the whole cake now. So let you cover your whole cake with whipped cream. I'm just using a piping bag with a star, and I'm just gonna make a border on the bottom. You can see what I'm doing. Now it's time to decorate. I shredded up some chocolate. All I did was regular milk chocolate bar, and I just get a grater and just do this, and then it comes out to flakes. You can also use a knife as well. Now I'm just gonna decorate the sides with this shredded chocolate. I'm gonna put a glove on because it'll start to melt on your hands, so I'm just gonna get a glove real quick. So once you decorate your sides with chocolate, I'm gonna make round circles on top. Your little border on the round. I'm gonna add more cherries on top. There you have it, a Black Forest cake. Time to cut the cake. So it came out so beautiful. Look at those 3 layers. Now it's time for taste test. This cake came out so delicious. Cake was moist. I love the cherry, the whipped cream, everything about this cake. I just love it. So I totally give this cake 10 out of 10. It's easy to make. Hope you guys try the recipe and let me know. Comment below. And like always, I see you guys in my next station. Don't forget to like and subscribe.